Hey everyone, welcome to the building gadgets mod. So how do we get this mod? We'll go to Forge and find building gadgets, okay? To the official app. From there we'll click files, mod loader, select Forge, choose version 1, 20.1. Press Windows plus R, type app data, go to .minecraft. Find the mods folder or create it. So this way, as you can see, we can save the building gadgets mod. All right, I have it. I'm looking for it. Here it is, building gadgets 2. Just click the 3 buttons, get file, and save it in .minecraft/mods, okay? It's that simple. Then run Minecraft with Forge and you're all set. Alright, the building gadgets mod features various devices that all share one common requirement: energy. So how can we recharge this energy? Well, we can do it one way, through another mod. We'll need a power mod with a charging station or a way to transfer electricity to our devices. It's that simple, really. How does built-in gadgets work? Well, first of all, there are different keyboard shortcuts, okay? If we go to controls, keybinds, and search for built-in gadgets, we'll find them, alright? The most important shortcut is G, which opens the menu. Got it? As you can see, we can change R, H, and U there. U is for undoing, okay? Let's say I accidentally do this. No, I mean I do this by mistake. Well, if I press U, it would undo, which is very useful. Okay, let's press G to open the menu. And well, as you can see, we have different options here, right? We can select a surface, build stairs, walls, horizontal lines, even make a grid, okay? So you see what I'm doing here, right? It's important that we can increase the range, okay? As we're seeing this way, there'll be more space between positions. We can also make a vertical wall and so on, okay? We can pull back, build inventory, set a fixed point to build from, okay? We can use fluid ray trace, which helps when fluids interact with each other. If I have 2 water buckets, they'd normally become infinite. So ray tracing prevents that, easily removing these elements. Then there's place on top, okay? It's for placing blocks on top, all right? Without it and horizontal wall on, it won't let me place. See? So horizontal row surface, okay? This way we can keep building. How do we select an object? Well, we simply crouch, okay? Say we want a diamond block, place it, crouch, right click, and there it is. It's that simple. I hope this helps you. Alright, how do we select a block? Let's say we have various items in the building gadgets mod. To select redstone, for example, we just grab our building gadget, right? Crouch, right click, and boom. Redstone selected, got it? With this, I can easily place redstone without any issues, okay? And that's it, simple as that. How does the exchanging gadget work? Basically, it swaps blocks, got it? The building gadget builds like this surface here, while the exchanging gadget just swaps items, okay? So let's press G and we can affect entities, make it fuzzy, and have connected areas. Let's select a surface with a radius of 3. Alright, there's the surface. We'll pick a diamond block. The building gadget would build on top, but this just replaces blocks, as we saw. So that's basically what this tool does. It doesn't destroy, just swaps one block for another, okay? So yeah, I hope that... What does the copy paste gadget do? Well, basically, as the name suggests, it helps us copy and paste, right? So we'll be in copy mode, where we select from one point to another, copying a block. I've right clicked, by the way. Now I have 196 blocks, okay? See? Now if I crouch, I can set the second point, and standing, I set the first. Got it? Once it's copied, we use G and click paste, alright? Now we're in paste mode, okay? We can place this surface wherever we want, like here, see? To paste here, just right click, and it copies what we've selected, got it? We'd need to copy the redstone part too, but this shows you the basics, okay? And that's how copy paste works, not cut paste. How does cut paste work? Well, it's like copy paste, but for cutting instead of copying. That's it. So we set a point. First, press G, select cut mode, and you'll see a selected area. It's barely visible. There it is in red. The first point is made standing, the second while crouching, okay? Now we have this area selected. As you can see, we can adjust the selection here. We can replace blocks, paste, and so on. This is important, okay? Let's select items in cut mode again. Boom. And I'll do it here. Boom. Now we have the items selected. If I press C and hit cut, they'll be cut. Now I have it ready to paste, okay? Wherever I go, I can paste this construction I've destroyed, so to speak. Just right click and paste the construction. So that's what it does, okay? Copy, paste, copies, and pastes. This cuts and pastes, as the name suggests. How does the destruction gadget work? Basically, this gadget has very clear functions, okay? It's mainly for destroying things. Oh, how clever. Well, it has different options. Retrace fluids basically makes fluids pass through or destroys them completely. So, one of two things. Just right click, and here you can see it lets me select what I want to remove. Up. Let's go down and try right, but right doesn't work, so nothing there. Left, okay? And there, as you can see, it's working. Once we have the structure defined, like this line here, we can make it bigger. Let's make it 5 by 5, moving 10 blocks. We can now destroy this area with a right click, okay? And there it is, we've done it. And that's how the destruction gadget works. You set a position to remove, then simply eliminate it. That's it. So that covers the building gadgets mod, formerly effortless building. Hope it's useful. See you in future videos.